Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to get the Bob-Omb robot in the Geometry Dash. So step number 1 is you have to collect 500 diamonds. So you cannot access the shop where this robot lives until you have collected at least 500 diamonds. So you can earn these by opening daily chests, completing quests, and playing daily levels. Step number 2 is enter the treasure room. So once you have enough diamonds, you can head to the treasure room, and from the main menu, you go to the level selection screen with the daily and weekly levels. So from there, you will just see a purple door in the bottom right corner. So click on it to enter. So just take note, if the door is locked, you will need to collect 5 demon keys first. So make sure you do that. So step number 3 is unlock the mechanic. So inside the treasure room, you scroll all the way to the last page on the left, and you will find a large locked mechanical gate. So you just click on it if you have 500 diamonds. So the mechanic will speak to you and unlock the gate, granting you the access to his shop. Next step is, now that you are in the mechanic's shop, you can browse his exclusive items and look through the pages until you find the Bob-Omb robot icon. So it's a round black bomb with orange fit, and you just have to click on it and purchase it using the mana orbs. So that is the blue currency. Lastly is equip your new icon. So finally, return to the main menu and open the icon kit. Navigate to the robot tab, and you will now see your newly purchased Bob-Omb icon unlocked and ready to use. So just click on it to equip it, and don't forget to customize its color. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!